Without try-catch blocks, a single error can crash your entire application. Let's see how they protect your code. The try block contains code that might throw an exception or error. You wrap any risky operation inside the try block. This could be passing JSON, making a network request, or accessing a property that might not exist. JavaScript will attempt to execute this code normally. The catch block handles the exception when it occurs. If any error is thrown inside the try block, JavaScript immediately jumps to the catch block. The catch block receives the error object, which contains information about what went wrong. You can then decide how to respond to that error. This prevents your program from crashing and allows for graceful error recovery. Instead of stopping execution entirely, you can log the error, show a user-friendly message, or try an alternative approach. Your application keeps running, and users get a better experience. Here's a practical example with network requests. We try to fetch data from an API. If the network fails or the response is invalid, the catch block handles it by showing an error message. The finally block is optional but runs regardless of success or failure. It's perfect for cleanup operations like closing connections or hiding loading spinners. Try-catch blocks let you handle errors gracefully instead of crashing. Use them anywhere your code might fail. Practice this in your next project. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.